Hi everyone! Welcome to Matuto TV. Ngayon, ipagpapatuloy ko ang discussion tungkol sa differentiation. This time, ituturo ko naman ang implicit differentiation. So kung gusto mo itong matutunan, please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel. So far, sa mga nakalipas na discussion ay napag-aralan natin ang pagkuha ng derivative gamit ang explicit differentiation. Example, we have the function y is equal to 6x plus 3. Since nakaseparate yung ating y or yung y natin ay naka-isolate, madali na lang kunin yung derivative wherein we can use the explicit differentiation. So therefore, the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 6. In other way, kapag hindi natin makuha yung derivative of y with respect to x, we will use implicit differentiation. Example, we have the function x times y is equal to y plus 3x squared times y. Okay, so kung makikita nyo, nakakalat yung ating variable y. So it is very complex na kunin yung derivative of y with respect to x. That's why we will use implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation is the process of getting the derivative of y with respect to x. To summarize, the procedure for differentiating implicitly is as follows. So narito yung buod ng steps sa pagkuha ng derivative of a given function gamit ang implicit differentiation. Okay, so una, differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. So, kukunin muna natin yung derivative, ang magkabilang panig ng equation, the left and the right sides. The second one, combine all terms containing dy on the left side of the equation and all the other side on the right side. Pagsamasamahin natin yung merong dy over dx and yung walang dy over dx is on the right side of the equation. The third one, on the left side of the equation, factor out dy over dx. And lastly, isolate dy over dx by dividing out the other factor on the left side. Narito ang unang halimbawa. Find dy over dx or the derivative of y with respect to x given that y cubed plus y minus 3x squared is equal to 2x plus 5. So bago natin ipagpatuloy, alalahanin natin na ang derivative ni y is equal to dy over dx. Okay? So kapag kukunin natin ang derivative ni y, kunin mo muna ang derivative ni y and then dy over dx. Okay. So ipagpatuloy natin. So ang first step is kunin mo muna ang derivative ng both side of the equation, the left and right. Okay, dito muna tayo sa left. We have d over dx, or which means derivative of the expression y cubed plus y minus 3x squared is equal to the derivative of the expression 2x plus 5. Okay, so let us continue. So since the first term is y cubed, the variable is y, so we have to get first the derivative of y cubed. So the derivative is 3y squared and idagdag ang dy over dx plus the second term, variable y ulit. So the derivative of y is equal to dy over dx minus the derivative of 3x squared. The derivative is negative 6 is equal to the derivative of 2x plus 5 is equal to 2. Ang pangalawa na step is combine all terms. So pagsasamahin mo yung merong dy over dx and i-separate yung wala. Okay, so mag-i-stay yung term na merong dy over dx sa left side of the equation. So we have 3y squared dy over dx plus dy over dx is equal to yung 2 doon sa right side, just bring down, then the negative 6x ilipat on the left side kasi wala siyang dy over dx. So since negative, magiging positive 6x. For the next step is, on the left side of the equation, factor out dy over dx. As you can see, meron silang common factor na dy over dx. Okay, so i-isolate natin. So let us factor out. So we have dy over dx as the common factor. So we have 3y squared dy over dx divided by dy over dx. We have 3y squared. And dy over dx over dy over dx is equal to 1. So is equal to, bring down 6x plus 2. Now, the last step is isolate dy over dx by dividing out the other factor on the left side. So, i-divide natin si 3y squared plus 1 both side of the equation para makuha natin yung value ni dy over dx. Okay, so now the value of dy over dx is we have 6x plus 2 all over 3y squared plus 1. Subukan naman natin ang pangalawang halimbawa. Given the equation x squared y plus 2xy squared is equal to x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4, find dy over dx or the derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so first, of course, kunin mo muna yung derivative ng bawat panig of the equation. So, narito ang derivative of the left side, x squared y plus 2xy squared is equal to the derivative of the right side, x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4. Okay, so kunin mo ang derivative ng first term, which is x squared y. So, para makuha ang derivative ng first term, gamitin natin ang product rule. Okay? So, ang formula ng product rule ay u times dv plus v times du. Okay? So, we have u times dv plus v times du. Wherein, in our expression, x squared y, ang ating u ay x squared and v will be y. Okay? So, using this formula, kukunin natin ang derivative. Okay? So, we have here u. So, copy x squared times dv or derivative of v. Ang derivative ni y ay dy over dx plus, of course, v. Just copy v, which is y. And multiplied by the derivative of u. So, ang derivative ni x squared is 2x. Ngayon, nagtataka kayo kung bakit nauna si 2x kaysa kay y. Because in writing an expression, mas maayos or mas organized kapag in order yung mga variables natin. So, since mauuna si x kaysa kay y, so, mas mauuna na isusulat. We have 2xy plus the expression 2xy squared. Okay? So, makukuha natin ang derivative of the expression 2xy squared gamit ang product rule again. Wherein, ang u natin is 2x and v will be y squared. Okay? So, gamitin natin yung the same formula which is u times dv plus v times du. Okay? So, u ito. Okay, so gamitin natin yung formula. Ang u natin ay 2x. So we have 2x times the derivative of v. The derivative of y squared is 2y. Again, kapag kukunin natin ang derivative ng variable y is meron tayong idadagdag na dy over dx. Okay, so we have here 2x times 2y. We have 4xy. Then copy dy over dx plus the derivative plus v, I should say. V is y squared. And multiplied by the derivative of u. Ang derivative ng 2x natin is 2. Is equal to the derivative of x raised to 4 is equal to 4x cubed plus the derivative of y raised to 4. Ang derivative ng y raised to 4 is 4y cubed. And since you are getting the derivative of the variable y, meron tayong i-add na dy over dx. Next, i-separate natin yung term na merong dy over dx. Ilagay natin sila on the left side, and yung walang dy over dx, ilagay natin on the right side. Okay? So, yung mga term na merong dy over dx is we have here x squared dy over dx. So, put it here. And then the term 4xy dy over dx. Put it here. And the term 4y cubed dy over dx. As you can see, yung term na ito ay nasa right side. Ililipat natin sa left side. So, since positive ito, kapag ilipat mo on the left side, magiging negative. So, therefore, we have negative 4y cubed dy over dx is equal to, so just bring down this expression. We have 4x cubed. And then, ito yung term na walang dy over dx. So, ilipat natin sa right side. So, since positive, magiging negative. And also, this expression, positive 2y squared, walang dy over dx, kaya ilipat sa right side. So, since positive, magiging negative 2y squared. Okay? So, ang next is, since mapapansin ninyo dito sa left side, meron silang common factor which is dy over dx. So, let us factor out this term. Okay? So, we have dy over dx times, okay, so we have here x squared dy over dx divided by dy over dx. We have, the remaining is x squared. 4xy dy over dx divided by dx is equal to 4xy. Next, negative 4y cubed dy over dx divided by dy over dx is equal to negative 4y cubed. Okay? Is equal to, just copy the expression on the right side. So, bring down 4x cubed minus 2xy minus 2y squared. Okay, so to get the value of dy over dx, i-divide natin yung expression, which is x squared plus 4xy minus 4y cubed both sides. So, kung nag-divide ka dito sa left, it should be done also in the right. Okay? So, since na-divide mo na si x squared plus 4xy minus 4y cubed dito sa left, magiging 1 na siya. Okay? So, mawawala na siya. Ang natitira is dy over dx is equal to, we have 4x cubed minus 2xy minus 2y squared all over x squared plus 4xy minus 4y cubed. So, yan na po ang ating dy over dx. Tingnan naman natin ang pangatlong halimbawa. X times y is equal to the square of x minus y. Find dy over dx. Okay, so of course, kunin natin ang derivative ng magkabilang side ng equation. So we have d over dx, or derivative of x times y is equal to d over dx, the square of x minus y. Okay, now, paano natin kunin ang derivative ng x times y? So, gamitin natin ang product rule of differentiation. So, let u be equal to x and let v equal to y. So, using the formula, u times dv plus v times du. Okay, so ang u natin is x and the derivative of v, ang v natin is y and the derivative of y is equal to 1. And sinabi natin kanina, kapag kukunin natin ang derivative ng y, always put dy over dx. Therefore, the derivative of y is dy over dx. Plus, ang v natin is y and du is the derivative of x is equal to 1. So, no need to write 1. It is equal to, ano naman ang derivative of the square of x minus y. Okay, so, with this expression, we will use the chain rule. Ang formula is we have dy over du times du over dx, or the derivative of y with respect to u and the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, so mag-let u muna tayo. Okay, so let u be the expression inside the parenthesis. So our u is equal to x minus 1. So getting now the derivative of y. Okay, so we have y is equal to u square. So the derivative is we have 2u and 2 minus 1. So therefore the exponent of u is 1. Okay. So substituting the value of u, we have 2 times x minus y. So ito na siya. We have 2 times x minus y. Okay, so we have 2 times x, we have 2x, and 2 times negative y, we have negative 2y. Next, get the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, so our u is equal to x minus y. Okay, so kunin natin yung derivative. It is equal to, anong derivative ni x? Ang derivative ni x is 1. Minus the derivative of y is also 1. And sabi ko, if always put dy over dx. Okay, so we have here 1 minus dy over dx. Okay, so multiplying this expression, we have 2x minus 2y times 1 minus dy over dx. So we will use the FOIL method. Okay, so makukuha natin ay we have 2x minus 2x dy over dx minus 2y plus 2y dy over dx. Okay, so ang next na gagawin natin ay pagsama-samahin natin yung mga term na merong dy over dx. Okay, so we have here the term x dy over dx, the term negative 2x dy over dx. As you can see, itong term na to ay nandito sa other side of the equation. If you are going to transfer in the left side of this equation, since negative yung sign niya, magiging positive. So we have positive 2x dy over dx. And another one, we have 2y dy over dx. Since nasa right side of the equation siya, ililipat natin sa left. Since positive, magiging negative 2y dy over dx. It is equal to, yung walang dy over dx, ilagay natin sa right side. So, sila yung mga nandito sa right side. So, since si 2x ay nasa right side na, so no need to change the sign. And also, negative 2y nasa right side na, so just bring down. Okay, now, factor out the three terms by dy over dx since their common factor is dy over dx. So let us factor out x times dy over dx divided by dy over dx. We will get x, or let us combine these two terms since they are like terms. They have the same variable which is x. Okay, so we have x plus 2x is equal to 3x dy over dx. Okay, so 3x dy over dx divided by dy over dx is equal to 3. And negative 2y dy over dx divided by dy over dx is equal to negative 2y is equal to, bring down 2x minus 3y. To get the value of dy over dx, divide 3x minus 2y in the both side of the equation. We have 3x minus 2y all over 3x minus 2y. Okay, so since 3x minus 2y divided by 3x minus 2y is equal to 1, therefore the remaining is dy over dx is equal to 2x minus 3y all over 3x minus 2y. Tutungo naman tayo sa pang-apat na halimbawa. We have x squared y cubed plus 4xy plus x minus 6x is equal to 2. Okay, so kunin natin ang derivative ng left and also the right side of the equation. Okay, so una, the derivative of the first term x squared y cubed. So kukunin natin ang derivative ng first term gamit ang product rule of differentiation. So let u be equal to x squared and let v is equal to y cubed. So using the formula u times dv plus v times du. Okay, so we have u x squared dv or derivative of v is equal to derivative of y cubed is 3y squared, and since ang kinuhanan natin ng derivative is the variable y, always put dy over dx plus v, just copy y cubed times the derivative of u is 2x plus the derivative of 4xy. Okay, so to get the derivative again, use the product rule of differentiation. So let u be equal to 4x and let v equal to y. So using the same formula, ang u natin is equal to 4x dv or derivative of y is equal to 1. Again, it is a y variable, so put dy over dx plus v, ang v natin is y, times the derivative of u, 4. Okay, so we have 4y plus the derivative of x is 1. And the derivative of negative 6y is negative 6. Again, variable y. So put dy over dx is equal to the derivative of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so let us simplify the terms. So just bring down x squared, 3y squared dy over dx, plus, so let us multiply 2x times y cubed. We have 2xy cubed, plus multiply 4x times 1 is 4x times dy over dx, plus bring down 4y, bring down 1, and also bring down negative 6 dy over dx is equal to 0. Now, pagsama-samahin natin yung mga term na merong dy over dx. Okay, so we have here x squared 3y cubed dy over dx, 4x dy over dx, and also negative 6 dy over dx. So as you can see, yung mga term na nabilugan ay nasa left side of the equal sign. So since nasa left side na sila, no need to change for the sign. So just bring down, we have 3x squared y squared dy over dx, 4x dy over dx minus 6 dy over dx is equal to, okay, dito naman sa right side, eto yung mga walang dy over dx. Okay, so tignan natin yung mga naiwan na term. Okay, so we have here 2xy cubed. As you can see, nasa left side siya ng equal sign. Okay? So, kung ililipat natin siya sa right side, so since positive, mag-change tayo ng sign. So, magiging negative. And, the expression for y, nasa left side of the equation, kapag ilipat natin, magiging negative 4y. And also the expression 1, kapag ilipat natin, magiging negative 1. Okay, so let us factor out the terms in the left side of the equation. Factor out by dy over dx. Okay, so 3x squared y squared dy over dx divided by dy over dx is equal to 3x squared y squared. Next, 4x dy over dx divided by dy over dx is equal to 4x, and negative 6 dy over dx divided by dy over dx is equal to negative 6 is equal to, just bring down the expression in the right side of the equation, and now let us divide the expression beside dy over dx para makuha natin yung value. So, the value now of dy over dx is equal to, we have negative 2xy cubed minus 4y minus 1 all over 3x squared y squared plus 4x minus 6. Subukan naman natin ang panghuling halimbawa, y cubed minus y squared plus x squared minus 4x minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, so isa-isahin na lang natin. So get the derivative of y cubed. Ano ang kanyang derivative? The derivative is 3y squared. Or since yung variable na kinuhanan natin ng derivative is y, maglagay tayo ng dy over dx. Next, how about the derivative of negative y squared? The derivative is negative 2y, and since the variable is y, maglagay ng dy over dx. And the derivative of x squared is positive 2x. The derivative of negative 4x is negative 4. The derivative of negative 18 is equal to 0, so no need to write. And also the derivative of 0 is equal to 0. Now, pagsama-samahin natin yung mga term na merong dy over dx. Ilagay natin sa left side at yung mga walang dy over dx ilagay sa right side. Okay, so we have here the term na merong dy over dx. We have 3y squared dy over dx. Okay, sulat natin. And also, negative 2y dy over dx. Isulat din natin. Okay, so as you can see, yung dalawang nabilugan na term na merong dy over dx ay nasa bandang left na ng equation. Okay, so since nasa left side na sila, no need to change for the sign. So kung positive, let it be. Okay, so just copy positive. Kung negative, negative. Okay. So sa right side, ang ilalagay naman natin yung mga term na walang dy over dx. So tignan natin yung mga natira. We have 2x. So si 2x ilipat natin sa kabila or in the right side. So since positive, mag-change tayo ng sign, magiging negative 2x. And also negative 4, ilipat natin sa kabilang side. Since negative, magiging positive 4. Okay, next, let us factor out the terms in the left side by dy over dx, since ang common factor nila is dy over dx. Okay, so let us divide 3y squared dy over dx divided by 3y divided by dx is equal to 3y squared. 2y times dy over dx divided by dy over dx is negative 2y is equal to, copy the expressions in the right side of the equation and divide now 3y squared minus 2y both sides of the equation. So we will have dy over dx is equal to negative 2x plus 4 all over 3y squared minus 2y. Sa mga binigay na halimbawa, inaasahan ko na natutunan ninyo at nasundan ang mga steps sa pagkuha ng derivative of a given function using implicit differentiation. So ngayon, ito na ang pagkakataon ninyo para sanayin ang sarili. Okay, sagutan ang exercise. Okay, so hanapin ang implicit differentiation of the two given equations. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.